Uh, Hello guys, my name is Mubashir Ansari. So today is a Sunday and we are going to do a weekly recap what happened in the market throughout this week. So let's start with the domestic news, that is Indian market news. So Sensex has been dropped by this 721%, that is around 0.88%, and Nifty was around 225 points, that's about 0.9%. We can say that 1%, and Sensex Sensex closing at 81,463, and the Nifty is 24,837 respectively, making the longest weekly decline in 2025. Okay, the main reason because of this drop this drop has happened is disappointing quarter one results, and especially Bajaj Finance, and we also observed that the Indian Energy Exchange stock has also dropped by around 30%. That's also put down the market towards the. It was a negative sentiment for the market. Okay, and also there was a outflow of the FIIs. So that creates the major issue for the Indian market, and US India uncertainty around the US India and the UK trade deals. Technical charts hint at head and shoulder pattern suggesting continued caution. Analysts see limited downside potential. Okay, big IPO activity coming up. Around 14 companies issuing launching their IPOs of that's over around 7,000 crores. It shows the strong investor appetite. Okay, capex priority from Finance Minister Nirmala Sitaram. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitaram stated that the boosting capital expenditure remains the government core economic strategy for sustaining the long-term growth. Okay. As per CEO on the market, what are the as per CEO on the market? We are going to analyze Rahul Gose and Sudeep Shah. Their views towards the market, that the real sentiment is weak. Nifty Bank shows the relative support. Okay, Bajaj Finance and Indian Energy Exchange stands out as a potential pick amid the downtrend. Okay, strategies like selling rallies and buying near support lines could be a prudent. Okay, let's go with the global markets and economic trends. Okay, US markets sentiments and earning watch. Okay, US indices S&P 500 and Nasdaq hits records high. As we observed that they are at their records high, but gains were tempered by the mixed corporate earnings. Okay, major tech moves like Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Apple release results. AI initiatives remain in focus. Okay, Federal Reserve meetings and job data. Fed is expected to hold rates steady. Okay, with inflation and job data. Uh, PCE index in July employment being closely watched for the next month. Trade negotiation and tariff deadlines. A deadline of August 1 looms for the Trump era tariffs on EU, Can, Mexico goods. Negotiation in progress to avoid steep duties. Okay, it will lead to the downturn of the market. Okay, rising optimism from US Japan trade deals aided stocks. Talks with China and South Korea in motion. Labour scandal verdict overturned. Okay. UK Supreme Court overturned the conviction of former traders Tom Hayes and Palombo, citing legal and procedural errors in the labour rate rigging. Retail markets relied on relief with the FTSE 100 reaching good records. So let's go with the crypto market news. Major news of the crypto market. India tax authorities ramp up crypto enforcement. Okay, India's Central Board of Direct Taxes, okay, CBDT, is now deploying AI-powered system and international data sharing network to detect unreported cryptocurrency transaction. The system cross-references tax filings with the exchange reported TDS. Okay, data where even a mismatch of 1 lakh can trigger an automatic notice. Okay, Even 1 lakh transaction which was mismatched by the TDS system will be get notices. Okay, since 2022. Oh, it was the data which they are going to use is of 2022. Okay, the crypto tax regime 1% TDS plus 30% profit tax has gained over around 7,000 crores in revenue. Okay, this move makes the hiding offshore crypto gains significantly harder and marks India's efforts to tighten the compliance on digital license. I don't know why they are making these laws for the crypto system. Even they are not needed to regulate the crypto market, but they want to tax the crypto market. That's the weird move that they are doing. Okay, Coin CoinDCS suffers the 44 million hack. Okay, reinforcing security concern. Okay, CoinDCS one of the India's largest crypto exchange confirmed around $44 million. Okay, security breach. So basically, they are hacked. CoinDCS, which is a major crypto exchange in India, has been hacked by the obviously hackers, and they stole around $44 million. Let's see if these dollars are gonna take out from the pockets of the retailers, or CoinDCX is itself going to pay this huge hack for this huge hack. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.